Another quick update on the hot wire cutter guy. I tried just to see. I was hoping that I was going to be able to use this battery, this battery extender thing, like that you can charge your your iPads and cell phones and that kind of stuff with. Uh, Use it instead of having to plug something into the wall, but that was a no-go. It didn't work. So I made this USB. I took an old USB cable that had the type, I don't know, the little square connector that you plugged into a computer or a computer monitor or a hub or something from way back in the day. I had one of those sitting around, so I cut it. I cut that other end off, and stripped the wires and added some, put some nichrome wire in. I plugged it into this wall wart, and immediately the styrofoam that was stuck on the wire from the previous test melted right off. It started smoking, and so you'll see here, I just plugged it into the wall. It cuts right through, like nothing. So that works fine. But when I plugged it into this Anker battery pack, its little light blinked. If you push the, where's the thing? If you push the light, it shows you how much juice there is and whatnot. Like its status light blinked once and then it shut off. So I think somehow it noticed that it was like a short, basically, and it was trying to draw too much current, and it wasn't like a phone or something smart. So it shut itself down. But this wall wart is not as sophisticated. It thinks, oh look, I'm charging a phone, woohoo! Or something. So I've got, that was a little bit of a waste, not killing this USB cable for that, but it does work. I might be able to rig some kind of stupid battery to the USB port and get that to work that way. But I also have that, the previous version, I just used like a 5-volt power supply plug thing that plugged into who knows what, some other device that wanted 5 volts, and it wasn't a USB cable type connector, but just like the regular old power supply cable. But so I think I'll just use that for now, because this has 2 parts that could go missing. But it's nice to know that the dumb USB charger worked fine for cutting foam with the wire too. So next up, I'll get that wire mounted to the board and run the power supply to it and make our raft time.